was on YouTube. Welcome back to the latest video in Benidorm. Today we're checking out Mundomar, so join me as we see what animals they have, we watch some shows, solve some crime, and a dolphin craps on my head.
Ah, dirty kid. Dirty kid just pooed everywhere.
Hello and welcome back. So the sun has actually come out for a little bit and Mundomar is open, so we're going to come up. But as you come up to the entrance, look, I'll show you, they've got some actors out the front. So we have two mermaids. They're looking absolutely fantastic. That's such good makeup. Bless them, they must have been here dead early to get all dressed up and ready. So we had unbelievable levels of rain last night. A couple of hours like through the night they had like 20 mils of rain, or whatever it is. Like, you know, back in the UK, if you're lucky if you get 4 on a heavy downpour that I've seen, like, you know. So anyway, we're in, so we're going to have a look around Mundomar, so come with us, alright? And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. Let's see what animals they've got here.
Oh, looks like a kiwi.
Looks like a what?
Kiwi, look.
A kiwi? Oh, is that a baby one?
No, that's not baby. What is that?
Don't know. I have no idea what these are. I haven't seen the sign. Giant Aldabra tortoise. Giant tortoise. There's some meerkats. Jen, careful, don't scare them. You got lots of little holes. Oh, it's fast. On that tree, look. On that stump. Mediterranean tortoise. So there's lots of shows and things on throughout the day. So we need to try and find like a notice board, or maybe look on the app, see what time everything is, and then we're going to try and get to some of the shows and see the feeds and whatnot. And I think there's like Dolphin show and the seal show and things like that. So we'll have a look. Don't know if you can pick him up. There he is. He just broke the water. I'll flog for a bit and then I can edit and cut. See if he can come up. There's a couple in there. There is a window over there, so maybe we can see through that window. Here he comes. Oh, hello. He's looking at you.
I would as well. Hello. They're looking at us.
So, well, mate, you ain't got the time, have you? Ask him if he's got the time. Right, let's have a spin round so we can see those sea lions now. Is it sea lions or seals? Seals, aren't they? Sea lions. He's there somewhere, he might be coming by. There he is! Wow! Where'd he go? He's going to swim around and come around again. I wonder what kind of animal that is, Ander.
I wonder. Maybe it's a sea person.
A sea person. Seaman. Johnny Depp's here, look. I think I was more scared than the kids in there. Don't know if I filmed that, I don't know if that went through or not, but they had a little walkthrough with some live actors, but it was hellish dark in there, hellish dark. Wow! Whoa! They like to show off. It's like Madagascar. I like to move it, move it. Wait. Turtle. Oh look, more monkeys. More monkeys.
And look at your dad.
More monkeys.
I'm not a monkey.
Saying hello. Hello. So we're coming to see the hola. Say hola amigos. Good girl. So we come into the parrot show. There's a parrot show starting in 10 minutes. So we come in to get a seat and we're sat under or right by a little perch. So I don't know if they will fly out and come up and land, but we'll see. We'll see what we can get on video. Uh-oh, they dragged someone on stage, look. Uh-oh. They're dead.
A multiple murder has just taken place, and Jack is the prime suspect. But first, let's go
What's
back
going
in
on?
time.
They die. He died.
Salas. Y esto es gracias a la glutamina y al cobre que contienen. They have a beautiful red color under the wings. These animals are very famous because of the spikes, but there is a myth that we want to make clear. They don't throw them. They only use them to feed the predators and the playful. Rojo de alas verdes. Now we are going to meet Lolo,
in the
our
rainforest.
twin macaw.
Oh, there he is, Ander.
Vamos a dar un aplauso. Bienvenidos, vamos a animar un poco. Mental y físicamente. Experiencia mental and physically. Vamos a conocer a Jack, nuestro guacamayo Levín.
Pretty.
Y Jack, our Harlequin macaw.
Oh my God, they're flying around the map. Wow, look at them go.
Y ahora sí, este ha sido el final de nuestro demostración. Esperamos que les haya gustado y que disfruten de su día aquí en Mundomar. This is the end of the demonstration. We hope you enjoyed it.
That was really good.
Mundomar, thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias.
Xander, what did you think of that? Yeah, good? Arif, was that good? Yeah. Yeah, you can see the parrots as you go by them, I think. One of the parrots doesn't want to leave, but he's still chilling up there. Everyone's leaving. He wanted to see the show. View's not bad from up here, is it? Penguins. Got some food. It looks like a fish skeleton, maybe, I don't know. See it, standing, chilling up on the land. Just the one having the spin. But someone's got to show off at all times. So I think we're coming around to where the dolphins are now. So see if we can see any dolphins, see if they're out swimming around. If not, we'll wait till the show. Can you see them in there?
I saw 4 times.
There's one. Ah, dirty git.
Dirty kid just pooed everywhere.
In fact, the sea is becoming a sea of plastic. That is something little for animals. Turtles can eat it. Dolphins and sea lions are trapped in nets. En nuestras manos está.
Uh-oh, someone threw some plastic in there. Uh-oh, here he comes. You gonna put it in the bin? He threw it in the bin, didn't he? Pardon? Yeah, no, they're throwing ice cubes so that the seals can eat them, or sea lions can eat them. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Pero eso no es todo. Y es que estos animales son muy ágiles. Gracias. Si quieres practicar, a la vez.
Hola.
Mira, en inglés también.
Push my leg.
Pero no son iguales. They are very similar because they are all Madagascar.
They're copying them, Sandra. They're copying the seal. They're pretending they're seals.
Vamos a la segunda diferencia. ¿Dónde nos fijamos? 1, 2 y 3.
Wow.
En la cabeza de Ellis, tiene unas aletas delanteras muy grandes y fuertes. ¿Quién es el micro? Para que mi campeón, mira que mi compañera.
I bet you do.
Ahora, ¿quién vuelve a aplaudir a nuestros voluntarios? Este es porque es más para todos los que se necesitan más